Anyway, before we continue, I would like to share with you guys the following report. Was gezien letzte Woche in the Hamadia. Okay. Developing report. Van Repace of Chrome. Hier you guys wer zijn? Actually, Rabbi Krohn, ich gehört zu ihm jede Woche. Ist zu uns, also wie bei euch, Rabbi Meilich Zinnerman, right? Yeah, it's the same style. So, it's a geweldige word. I want to share with you guys. So, sorry. Hi everyone. Okay, the Torah tells us this week's parsha says, "Reishis arisasechem chalot terimo." It's a possible. So the question is as follows. It's very hard to understand. Reishis arisasechem chalot terimo. What's the connection? You know, because it's Reishis Arisasechem, that's why it's Chalot Rimo. I mean, what's the connection from point A to point B? You have to understand, you know, Chalot Rimo is the Siva for Reishis Arisasechem. It's a whole thing that's mehr aushalten, die ich. Es ist ein Pasche. Reishis Arisasechem, Chalot Rimo. Ik heb bijvoorbeeld zo'n verstaan voor mij alleen. Als die sibbe van wat het Chalot Rimo is because it's Reishis Arisasechem. You understand what's going on here? I showed it to my Rav, and he was like, huh? It's my argument. I mean, it's more difficult question. So guys, here's the answer. And then when I saw this answer, I was gespringen for his boxes. Because I think this is a big aside for everyone to take along. And special for the Chosim when he's about to start his plate of ice cream. The Torah comes to teach us and to tell us, yes. Haka when it's Reishis Arisasechem. Then it's Chalot Rimo. When a person is in a massive of Reishis Arisasechem, only then the Torah tells us, Chalot Rimo. And he says, Chalot Rimo is a siba for Reishis Arisasechem. No! It's a reason for Reishis Arisasechem.